Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off screen curtain with voiceover turn on the iPhone 15 series. Now, screen curtain allows you to turn off the display of your iPhone while still using voiceover, a screen reader that describes what's happening on your device. This can be helpful if you want to use voiceover without others seeing the screen's content, or if you find the bright screen distracting. So before you can use screen curtain, you need to turn on voiceover. To do that, go into settings, and in settings, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, we tap on voiceover, and then tap on voiceover toggle button to switch it on. Once voiceover turns on, you can then triple tap on the screen, 1, 2, 3. This will allow you to turn off the screen, but your phone is still active, so you can use voiceover. Here, I've just turned down the volume. I'm going to turn up the volume here.
Tip: detect accessibility. VoiceOver speaks items on the screen.
And if you want to turn off the screen curtain, just triple tap on the screen with 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3.
Screen curtain off.
Now, if you have turned on zoom, then you need to tap on the screen 4 times.
Zoom off.
So here you can see.
Zoom. Switch.
So you can see here, if I
Switch
turn on zoom,
on.
I will need to tap on the screen 4 times with 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Speech off.
And again, you need to do it fast enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 to turn it off, or to turn on the screen curtain, and then after you switch it off, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will turn off the screen curtain. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.